like a sunset. Like
sunset,
this.
you have to be red. So you have peach Bellini and you have your shine bright.
Okay, yellow. Shine bright. Right, Yumika. Why do you have to have red to have a sunset? Your sunset can be whatever color you want in your imagination.
Yeah, but you're not going to put any blue on it.
Oh yeah, the sunset.
Right.
NFT have that blue. The imagination. Okay, so smaller beads. Let's see what's up with this one. And I do 1/3 of the nails, and I'm gonna pick the peach Bellini. And then place it right above of the Shy Bright and see what up with this one. What's up? Is that cool? Right, I'm gonna just really gentle touch because it's so easy to control. You have to have a hands on it to experience exact what I'm doing. It's like you can close your eyes and do liquid and powders. It's so cool, it's so fun and easy.
And now that looks like ice cream.
It is ice cream? Sure.
That's like strawberry ice cream right there.
No, this is like sorbet, whatever it is.
Sorbet, yeah, it works.
All right, so what next one is?
So put another scoop on top. Put another like rice scoop.
No, maybe we should do this one. No?
Sure.
Cosmopolitan?
Do it.
Let's see what it's turned out.
Yeah, nice and easy, and anything wet. Wow.
Hey, life is too short. If you don't try, you don't know. Just do it.
Right. So now you have grape up top. You have strawberry in the middle, and you have pineapple at the bottom.
Mango.
Oh, mango. That's that's a lot of really fun ice cream there.
Do you think it's like the ice cream though? Looks cool though. Look.
Or that could be your smoothie. Your fruit smoothie.
This color look like a dragon fruit. This. Oh. Oh, hey. Kathleen, who is that? Say hello. Oh, hey, Kim, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. It's so nice to have you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Kim, have you have this collection in yours, like, collection yet? Because this is so cute, and this is one of the best sellings as well. People love this. I love it myself as well. Just like, so easy. Like, you pick any color, it goes so well together. Look. All right, so what should we do? You know what I was thinking of? We have a fruit whimsical. It's going to be perfect for this one. This looks cool, huh?
Since you already got like that, do some fruit.
There's no fruit in here. There's
there's
butterflies.
Well, there's some whimsical on it.
Or maybe we should put flowers. You want me to put flowers?
Why not?
Or what do you want to see? Oh, I have a flowers. I have a metal flowers from this. Ooh. How about that?
There you go. Now, when you put on it, it becomes a starfish.
Oh, it's not starfish, it's a flowers. Hello,
Yep,
gentlemen.
and then request for bunny. I don't know if you have one.
Bunny? I think I have on my I have a bunny on my mix. I might use them already.
Well, if you have some, do some.
Oh, right here.
Oh, you got it?
I get this bunny only.
Yay!
At least I got one. Is that bunny?
Yeah. Sure, right.
I used the metal bunnies on the nails the other day, so I don't know where the other one is.
Bunny.
Probably it's
You know,
hiding.
So that's maybe a moon bunny.
Is a moon bunny?
Lunar bunny.
Luna?
Lunar bunny.
Luna bunny. It sounds very good.
Yep, so you have to fly far, you go to the moon with a star, and now you find a bunny. Sitting right there.
All right. Give you a really good credit for your imaginations. Okay.
Yes, see? And that bunny played good with the star, too.
Oh, like, then we should get some star for the bunny. You want me to give you some star? I have it right here. Right there. No?
Sparkle star too. Yeah.
Shooting star.
Oh no, you know what? Now it become like a one, like a magical one. So that bunny can play with a magical one.
Okay, here you want moon. Like, I think, I don't know if I have another bunny in here. I try to see if I get another one. If it does, I'm gonna down and put it on. You know what? We can put another flowers in here, like from the Easter mix bag. I don't know. I just like put everything on it. Looks so cute. But hey, just have fun with this.
Right there.
Ah, it's like fairy tale. Hey Dom, thank you so much for tuning in. Alright, so I put a lot of stuff on it. Okay. It's so cool, and it still see the background though, even though that gets like a lot of beautiful elements in it. So now if you're happy with this, we're going to cap this with the Crystal Clear. Submerging my bristle in the monomer, pick up the Crystal Clear.
Hey, so this collection is named Beach House Collection. You can also look under the Anniversary Collection.
This, you will never go wrong with this. I am absolutely obsessed with this. And now you're gonna using the belly. It looks like I'm using the tips of the bristle, but actually it's not. I'm using the belly, so it's getting a more. It has the more pressures to hold and tie of the brush. So then it helped to guide and sculpting the beads, guide the beads so much better. It's just as using just the tips of the brush. And just cut the excess off using the belly of the bristle. Let it air dry. Looks cool though.